Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Hall at Hall Plastic Surgery and Rejuvenation Center. I want to talk to you today about rhinoplasty, or reshaping of your nose. Rhinoplasty is a procedure that we do quite often to correct the shape of the nose, but does have a functional component to it. So when you come into the office, we're going to sit down, we'll visit a little bit, try to define what about your nose you would like to change, and at the same time we'll do an examination and establish whether you have any functional problems. So for instance, you might have a septum of your nose that could be injured from trauma, could be blocking your airway, so you have some functional problems in which we can correct with rhinoplasty. At the same time, we'll look at your nose, and most commonly people complain about having a hump on the nose as well as the tip of the nose that's a little bit too large. So with the procedure we can remove that, make that more straight and flat. At the same time we can make the tip of the nose smaller. A lot of times make the nose more proportional to your face. So we'll sit down, talk to you, and find out what about your nose that you don't like. So the shape or the aesthetics of your nose is something that will change with the rhinoplasty procedure. You'll go through a surgical procedure that will take sometimes up to 2 hours. Afterwards, you'll go through a recovery process of swelling and healing. So at about 2 months after surgery, you'll be able to see the shape of your nose. If you have any functional problems, you'll see almost an immediate improvement with the surgery. So at 2 months, you can look at the nose and you can say, okay, here's what my nose will be. Talking about your nose can be something very embarrassing. You'll be very self-conscious about that. You may look in the mirror a lot. I think with the rhinoplasty procedure, we can make a significant improvement in the way you feel about yourself, your nose. So you won't be, let's say, shy. Maybe you'll be out in the public more. So I think it can help you in your activities with other people, how you socialize with other people. So I think the rhinoplasty is a very important procedure that we can do to help your self-esteem. Again, I'm Dr. Hall. Hopefully this information about rhinoplasty or reshaping of your nose has been helpful. I would encourage you to call our office to schedule a consultation as well as to visit with me to talk about this in more detail.